Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how we can use music search or song search on YouTube. Yes, you have heard right that there is a new feature on YouTube. Most of you maybe you don't know it. There is a new
Raj,
see here on the search. Click on the search bar here. Click on the search bar and see here right at top corner there is a mic symbol or voice search symbol. You need to tap on this and there is voice search and there is song here. Oh, sorry.
and there is
Yeah. Click on the song. Now, what you need to do is you can sing a song to search for the required song, or you can just hum a song. Means like. Okay. See here, this is what the song I just tried to hum. Likewise, you can also click on this song and you can hum a song or exactly sing a song with the lyrics only. So, in that case, once it detects your song or the humming voice, it will display the required song match. At oftentimes we don't remember the song, but we can get the tune into our mind, and then we can make use of this option very much. So if you are seeing this option for the first time, just hit a like for this video and share it to your friends and family so they'll also get surprised. And I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.